Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Baseus earbuds with your Android phone. So to do this we have to remove earbuds from this charging case, and when you do this, this indicator will light up, the left one. Just take a look. And right now we can just simply go to the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and from the list we have to select Baseus Encok W09. So click on them once, accept the pairing, and as you can see we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video, hope you like it.